Okay, this is WP Franklin Campground. We just got done touring the east side, and that was sites 22 through 30. There's the fishing bridge. Okay, onward ho, there's where you check in.
This is where you empty your pooper.
Yep, that's where you do your monkey business. We stopped there this morning, didn't we?
Yeah.
Okay, there's our park attendant.
Going the wrong way, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm counting down this time.
Oh, I see.
This is site, what, 18?
Yeah.
Number 18. Oh, I'm not counting down properly. 18. It's a big one. 17. You could get into the bush on 17.
The inside
21's a pull through. It's a big one. I think we were on that one once.
Yeah.
And then 20.
It's a pull through.
And then 19. So what's this one we're passing again? 17. So it goes 18, 17. There's not too many with shade. 16.
Well, they try to keep the trees away from where the campers are, I think.
15's nice. Yeah, only that one that looked like length could be an issue, but I don't know. Probably not. I think you'd fit.
This one is a short.
Okay, 14's a no-go because of the tree. If you got a big camper, don't pick 14. 13's a good one. Nice long one. There's the parking. Oh, look, they put a new metal roof on that building.
Yeah, you know, it looks nice.
I don't know why I was expecting shingles. Here's site 12. I think we've been on all these sites before.
I think probably
Got a golf
because
cart
they
coming.
had it before.
Howdy. That's the man with the plan.
That is.
Oop, I forgot to say what number. 12.
This is 11.
11.
This is the pull through.
11. How's our water?
Good so far.
All right. It tastes really good, I can tell you that. So hopefully it turns out okay. Nice Salem. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. I like your camper.
Thank you.
I used to sell them. Number 10. Oh, 10 I think might be the best one, hun. What do you think? It's got it all. Shade, length. Yeah, I like 10. I'll have to remind myself of that.
You could go right on the point if you wanted.
These guys been hard at it over here.
Hey guys.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Fixing the view. There's our duck friend. Zzz, plural.
Taking it back and it's not.
Yes, they were. We were on site 8 for 2 days. It's a nice site. I posted a walkabout on it already. Yeah, these guys are here checking the water.
Mm-hmm.
I seen them earlier.
That's a nice little ley liner.
But I thought the water was really good myself. Now,
Nobody
8,
wants
you
that.
definitely got to park in the parking lot. 7,
Out of
looks
there.
like you'd be in the parking lot. Camper will fit, though. 6 is what? Great big one? Think you'd still be in the parking lot. I don't know.
think you would be on all of
Depends on how close you want to get to your neighbor.
them. You'd be okay with a short travel trailer, but not with a.
Then 5, you back up to a bush. So you'd definitely be parking over. There's parking spots right there. It ain't like it's a big deal. And then number 4 is a nice leprechaun.
And Donna used to have one of them.
Yeah. Then 3 is a Vista. With all these sites, everyone has a barbecue grill, fire pit, water, and electric. Here's our 19 again. 19, 20, and what, 21?
He's got his car hauler behind him.
Oh yeah. Tow dolly. Nice Ford truck. This one could be problematic. Number 2. I think they told me that before. And then 1 is never up for grabs. Because
No,
that's where the park people are.
Park people are on that one and that one.
Yep. Okay. That concludes numbers what through what? 21 through 1, right?
Yes.
Okay. And if you don't know how to dump your trailer, there's some instructions here for you. How about it?
Read them in order.
Read them and weep. Okay, we're going out on the, oh, there it says, sign says right here, look. Sites 1 through 21 are the west ones, and 22 through 30 are the east ones. Imagine that.